Mr. Revant Reddy as a bagman. A bagman because, he was infamously caught with 50 lakh rupees in a bag trying to bribe MLAs and trying to purchase MLAs and destabilize the government. Now today, he continues to be a habitual offender. As per the charge sheet filed by the Enforcement Directorate in the National Herald case, Mr. Revant Reddy, who is now the Chief Minister of Telangana, who was the then PCC President, had openly bribed a lot of his, Congress office bearers, and also sought money from business houses. Is what the ED is charge sheeting. Is what the ED is accusing him of. What I would like to ask Mr. Rahul Gandhi is, will you at least now take responsibility? Back in the day when your own party MP, Mr. Venkat Reddy, Komati Reddy, Venkat Reddy, had accused Revant Reddy of purchasing the PCC President post with 50 crores of rupees, your party did not respond. Now the ED has charge sheeted Mr. Revant Reddy. Now the cat is out of the bag. It is very clear that Telangana has now become an ATM for the Congress party. Back in the day, it was selling posts and buying posts within the Congress party. Now it is open loot in the Telangana state. Now Telangana has literally become the ATM for Congress party, and regularly one scam after another scam. Amrut scam, RR tax, civil supply scam, and numerous others have been happening in Telangana, and the outright loot of Scamgress party and Mr. Revant Reddy is now out in the open. I hope the All India Congress Committee, President of All India Congress Committee, Mr. Kharge, and also Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who is the leader of opposition, who talks of constitution and nyay every day, respond to this and also come out with a clear-cut statement on whether they would continue Mr. Revant Reddy in the post or whether they will sack him. We demand answers from Mr. Rahul Gandhi, because this is an open and shut case where a clear case of bribery, a clear case of money being used to sell posts and buy posts, as it has been accused in the past by congressmen, has now been established by ED. So we demand answers from the Congress party whether or not an action would be initiated against the Telangana Chief Minister.